Hey there, radicals! Today we're diving into a truly transformative experience, the 21 Days Raw Challenge. This challenge is more than just a diet, it's a lifestyle shift that pushes us to embrace the power of unprocessed, plant-based foods for 3 whole weeks. Imagine that, 21 days of fresh fruits, crunchy vegetables, nuts and seeds, all brimming with nutrients in their most natural form. But why, you may ask? Well, the benefits are manifold. From increased energy levels to improved digestion and glowing skin, the raw vegan lifestyle can truly elevate our well-being. Plus, it's a fantastic way to reconnect with nature and appreciate the bounty it offers. But remember, the key to succeeding in this challenge is consistency and commitment. It's about making a conscious choice every day to nourish our bodies with raw vegan foods. It won't always be easy, but I assure you, it's worth it. As we embark on this journey, some of you might be thinking, but what if I'm traveling? It's a valid concern. Being on the road can pose challenges to maintaining a raw vegan diet. Different locations, varying availability of raw foods, and the temptations of local cuisines can all make it seem like a daunting task. But fear not, my radicals. It's not only possible to stay raw while traveling, but it can also be an exciting adventure. Imagine exploring local markets for fresh produce, discovering new fruits and vegetables, and creating raw meals with a twist of local flavor. Sounds thrilling, doesn't it? Staying true to the raw vegan challenge while traveling might seem daunting. But fear not, we've got some practical tips lined up for you. So let's get ready to embark on this journey together, one raw meal at a time. First things first, preparation is key. When embarking on your travel journey, planning ahead is crucial. Start by researching your destination thoroughly. Look for vegan-friendly restaurants, cafes, and grocery stores where you can find fresh fruits and vegetables. Remember, the internet is your friend. There are numerous apps and websites that can guide you to vegan-friendly spots. Next, pack your travel snacks wisely. Opt for fruits like bananas, apples, or oranges, which are not only nutritious but also easy to carry. Dehydrated fruits, nuts, and seeds too make great on-the-go snacks. Also, don't forget to stay hydrated with the approved beverages on the 21 Days Raw Challenge list like water and fruit-infused water. Consider carrying a reusable water bottle to ensure you always have access to clean water. Remember to always listen to your body and its needs. A well-prepared traveler is a happy traveler. With good preparation, you'll find it easier to adhere to your raw vegan diet. Now let's talk about dining out. It can be a challenge, but it's not impossible. When you're on the raw vegan challenge, navigating the dining scene can feel like a daunting task. But with a little strategy, you can make it work. First up, don't be afraid to ask for customization. Many restaurants are willing to modify their menu items to suit your dietary needs. If you see a stir-fry on the menu, ask if they can serve it raw. Or if there's a salad that comes with a dressing that isn't vegan, request it on the side or ask for an alternative. It's about finding ways to adapt what's on offer to suit your needs. Next, salads and fruit bowls are your best friend. They're easy to find in most eateries and are usually raw and vegan. Just be sure to double-check the dressings and toppings. Opt for simple, fresh ingredients. Remember, simplicity is the key to a successful raw vegan diet. Don't forget about the power of technology. There are plenty of vegan restaurant finder apps out there that can help you locate dining spots that cater to your dietary needs. Some of these apps even provide information about specific menu options, making it easier to plan your meals ahead of time. Keep an eye out for hidden ingredients. Some seemingly vegan dishes may contain non-vegan ingredients like honey or dairy-based sauces. Be vigilant and don't hesitate to ask the staff for more information. As said before, some restaurants are willing to customize, so don't be afraid to ask. And finally, always carry some raw vegan snacks with you. This way, even if you can't find a suitable dining option, you won't go hungry. It could be something as simple as a piece of fruit or bag of grapes, seeds, or nuts. No matter where you're dining, remember to enjoy the experience. Part of the joy of travel is trying new things and exploring different cultures through their cuisine. You have a unique opportunity to experience food in its most natural, unprocessed form. Remember, don't be shy about your dietary needs. Most restaurants are happy to accommodate. While you're doing this for yourself, you may also be setting an example for others who might be considering a healthier lifestyle. Who knows, your choices might inspire the restaurant to add more raw vegan options to their menu. For year-long support on your wealth journey, consider joining the Raw Fam membership on Patreon. This community is designed to offer you not just accountability, but also a wealth of knowledge. We're talking lessons on what to eat, how to grow your own food, and even how to prepare it at home. It's a comprehensive guide to ensure you're not just surviving, but thriving on your raw vegan journey. It's not just about the food, it's about the lifestyle. It's about embracing a holistic approach to health, one that nourishes your body, mind, and spirit. All the links are in the description section. Check them out. So, there you have it, radicals. Staying on track with the raw vegan diet while traveling is achievable. With a little foresight and a bit of flexibility, we can navigate the world while on the raw vegan challenge, even on the road. Do you have any tips or experiences to share? We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, raw love, my radicals.